Good afternoon, Dr. Asmadi. We are Group 9, and today we will be presenting on an important legal and digital issue, which is online defamation in Malaysia. Before we begin, allow me to introduce our team. My name is Henry Wu Erham, metric number AP220253, and I am the group leader for Group 9. Alongside me, we have Si Jiatian, Tae Hawei, Jared Tan Yusen, and Eric Chimingzi. In today's world, social media and online platform allows people to share their opinions freely. However, this freedom also raises serious concerns when false statements harm reputations. Our goals in this research is to explore the laws governing online defamation in Malaysia. Secondly, the real-life case studies demonstrating how defamation laws are applied. And thirdly, solutions and legal reforms to protect individuals and businesses from false online accusations. Before further ado, allow me to pass the introduction to Eric Chi.
Hi, I'm Eric, and now I'll present about the introduction for this assignment. The definition of online defamation is referred to making a false statement about a person or company that results in reputational harm. Online defamation occurs on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Reddit, and different social networking sites. Online defamation encompasses a variety of expressions, including social media posts, blog posts, online feedback, and discussion forum comment. To sue the defamer, the victim must prove that the statement was false, negligent, or malicious and cause some degree of damage to their reputation. For public figures, their prosecution requirement will be higher and more stringent. This is largely due to public figures' increased access to the media and their ability to respond to defamatory statements, which the law considers to be a factor required to balance the right to free speech and the protection of reputation. Lastly, there are two challenges of online defamation in the digital age, which is the influence of the internet can make defamatory content spread quickly, and the second one is anonymity of defamers complicates legal identification and action. That's all for me.
So, why is online defamation a legal concern? Well, the internet has made defamation easier and more damaging than ever before. False statements can spread instantly, damaging personal reputations, business credibility, and even political careers. Legal actions are difficult due to issues like anonymous defamers, global reach, and delays in content removal. Well, our study focused on two key legal questions. First, what are the legal provisions governing online defamation in Malaysia? Secondly, what are some real case laws related to online defamation? So, the objective of our research are to analyze Malaysia's legal framework for online defamation and to examine real cases to see how the law is applied in court.
Hi, I'm Jared, and now I will talk about legislation and provision of law. As nowadays, online defamation is growing concern and understanding legal framework is crucial for everyone. In Malaysia, legislation such as the Defamation Act 1957 is to protect individuals and organizations from false and harmful statements and allowing victims to seek for compensation or criminal action. Additionally, the Communication and Multimedia Act 1998 specifically Section 233 are able to criminalize online harassment, offensive conduct, and false accusation with penalty up to 50,000 in fines or 1 year in a prison. And for the Section 499 and 500 of Penal Code are to further define defamation and impose legal consequences, ensuring that offenders are held accountable. However, enforcing this law remains challenging due to anonymity online and delayed social media response. Despite this, Malaysia has taken action in high-profile defamation cases such as Dato' Seri, Najib Razak, and Lim Kik Siang, emphasizing the need for legal evolution in the digital age. Ultimately, while existing laws provide protection, ongoing updates are essential to tackle new challenges in online defamation and ensure a safer online environment for everyone.
Hi, I'm Tae Hawei, number metric AP220258. And in my part, we examined 3 cases that highlight the scope and consequences of online defamation. So in case 1 is GSR Sendirian Berhad versus LKS in 2018. So a former agent of a real estate company made a defamatory post on Facebook, accusing the company of dishonesty and refusing legitimate commission. So the defendant was ordered to pay 50,000 ringgit in damage. And in case 2 is Dato M versus NAR in 2012. A businessman sued a journalist over defamatory tweets. The journalist failed to apologize or remove the post, allowing the defamatory content to spread until the hearing. So the court awarded a total of 500,000 ringgit for a damage. So in our last case is C versus L in 2020. So an attorney suffered reputational and financial loss due to a false Google review claiming he was dishonest and unprofessional. The reviewer repeatedly changed her name to evade responsibility. So at the end, the lawyer lost 80% of his client due to this false review, and the court awarded the attorney as the defendant 750,000 ringgit in damages.
Next, if you become a victim of online defamation, taking swift action is crucial. Here are some recommendations on what to do. You could collect and preserve evidence, take screenshots, timestamps, and even save URLs. If possible, notarize the evidence or have it verified by a third party. Secondly, report to authorities and social media platforms. You could file complaint with MCMC under Section 233 of the Communications and Multimedia Act 1998, or report defamatory content to social media platforms for removal. You could send cease and desist letter, issuing a formal legal warning, demanding the defamer to remove the content and apologize. If ignored, well, legal actions can follow. Next, you could pursue legal actions. For civil lawsuit, you may file under the Defamation Act 1957 for financial compensation. For criminal charges, you may pursue action under Section 499 of the Penal Code for serious cases. Lastly, manage your online reputation. You could use search engine optimization (SEO) to push false content down in search results. What is it? Well, create new and truthful and positive content about yourself or your business, as this new content will rank higher in Google searches, causing the defamatory content to move lower where fewer people will see it. So, act fast. The longer the defamatory content stays online, the more damage it can cause. Next, while current laws offer some protection, Malaysia needs a stronger legal framework to combat online defamation more effectively. We could strengthen and update defamation laws by amending the Defamation Act of 1957 to explicitly include online defamation. Secondly, we could use stricter penalties and faster legal actions by increasing fines and imprisonment under Section 233 of the Communications and Multimedia Act of 1998. And lastly, we could establish cyber courts and defamation tribunals by creating specialized courts to expedite online defamation cases and implement alternative dispute resolutions for faster settlements without lengthy trials. By implementing these changes, Malaysia can create a safer, fairer digital landscape where freedom of speech is protected but not abused.
Hi doctor, my name is Sijatian and my mentoring number is AP220321. So now I would like to talk about the conclusion part. Online defamation is a growing issue in the digital age, affecting individuals, business, and public figures. With the internet making it easier for false information to spread rapidly, reputational damage can happen almost instantly. While Malaysian laws such as the Defamation Act 1957, Penal Code Section 499, and Communications and Multimedia Act 1998 provides some legal protection, enforcement remains a challenge. Identifying anonymous defamers, removing harmful content quickly, and handling legal cases efficiently are ongoing concerns. Moving forward, stronger regulations are needed to ensure social media platforms act faster in removing defamatory content. Legal process must be streamlined to reduce delays, and public awareness programs should be introduced to promote responsible online behavior. Ultimately, taking online defamation requires a balanced approach, one that strengthens legal frameworks, encourages corporate responsibility, and educates people on ethical digital communications. By doing so, we can create a safer, more accountable online space in Malaysia. So, thank you for your time and attention. We hope this presentation has provided valuable insights into online defamation and the legal challenges surrounding it in Malaysia.